go facing forward. Cheer. Sir. Give me that. Cheer. Turn around. Everybody bow to the new ranks, first grease, and throw the new black belt. Cheer. Sir. Give me that. Cheer. Everybody give me a hand, sir. Raise your bell and your candle.
Sit.
And that thing that you put in the furniture. Yes. Brilliant. Hot? I certainly. Alright. Yes, sir. Sir! We still have our class. So, everybody who's on the floor, come back, get your sparring, get on. We go to spar for 15 minutes, and we go to the weapon for 15 minutes more. Sir? Sir! Everybody got it? Sir! Now, you would like to be in that place?
Sir!
You would like to be going to black belt?
Sir!
I want you to tell me, it is easy?
No, sir!
No at all. Yes, sir? But if you take the decision, we're going to be helping you. Sir?
Sir!
Got it? Sir! Alright. Sir. Sir! Yeah.